This is the instructor's introduction for Composition Design Part 3. So this is the final learning unit where you'll be turning in your photo projects and reflecting back on the last couple of learning units where you were introduced to a bunch of really cool things about composition and design, lighting, and thinking about the content of your photos. So be sure to review the information. You can review other photographers. So let's maybe you decided to have Larry Fink be the photographer that you use as a source of information, but you didn't get a chance to look at Catherine Wagner's work. So take a few minutes to be inspired and learn about Michael Kenna or Louis Boltz. These are all really fabulous photographers, and the more you look at photographers' photographs and their work and think about composition, the better your photographs will be. That's one of the reasons why I made this page with all these links so you could get inspired by all these different photographers. Melanie Pullen's work is really interesting. You should check her out. And also to think about that concept of composition and design. So you might want to go back and review this lecture or download the PDF and remind yourself of the language. So when you're working on the text parts of this week's homework projects, you can recall some of the information that we've been studying throughout this learning unit. So be sure to review. This week is all about review and working on your projects. So reviewing the quality of light and thinking about what was covered in the Composition and Design Part 2 lecture. Thinking about the time of day. So I hope you take the time to review all of this information that I have put together for you from the other learning units as you're working on your photographs. Your final photographs are due and the requirements are reviewed in this video. These are the prompts that you're going to want to follow. This is a lot of reminder stuff. Be sure to include the quotes that I've asked you to include. So review all of this information and then be sure to send me an email if you have questions. And then finally, you're going to do a personal reflection on this learning unit. So I go over that in this video. But again, if you have any questions, please send me an email or visit me during my Zoom office hours. I look forward to seeing your photographs. Enjoy the conclusion of composition and design. Thank you.